Hello students, how are you all? Welcome to your social studies classes. I, Miss Kavita, teaching you your social studies part. In your first sem book, you have the social studies from the page number 206. From the page number 206, there is the social studies lesson. Your first lesson is the circling lines. The circling lines. What are the circling lines? We come to know about in this lesson. All of you might have seen the globe. This globe you have seen, no? I hope all of you have saw this globe in your schools or somewhere else. Yeah? Then, what is that? You might have observed there is a lines like this on the globe. There is the lines on the globe like this. Have you seen your? Yeah. Okay. And here like this. These are the circling lines on the earth. About this only you have to study in this lesson. Okay. There are two types of vertical lines also are there and horizontal lines also are there on the globe. These lines are only imaginary lines and they are exist only on the globe. Might be on the maps also, in the world map, not on the real earth. Okay, see. All of you might have we've experienced the different seasons now. How many seasons are there? Yes, there are summer season, winter season, rainy season. There are three types of seasons are there, no, mainly. And yes, okay. Then different seasons we will experience in the different time. Okay. There are 12 months in the year, and we experience the day and night also. How it can happen? It will all can happen because of the earth movement. The earth movement. What is the earth movement? All of you have my studies in the last classes only. The earth have the two types of its movement. One is rotation and one is revolution. See here. Earth rotates on its axis with fixed path called orbit. What has happened? The earth rotates with its axis and it will rotate also with its orbit around the sun. These are the two. I will explain it more than you. See here, the earth rotates itself on its place also with its axis like this. When it will take the one rotation like this, it is called a rotation. When it will rotate itself once, now I rotate like that, no, it is called as a rotation. But where it has like this, it is with it rotation only, it will move around the sun. For example, if it is the sun, it will move around like this. Like this it will go, the sun will be in that place only and earth rotates around the sun. That is called as revolution. When the earth goes around the sun, that is a revolution. When the earth rotates itself, it's a rotation. When earth rotates itself, it will experience the day and night. Okay, and when it experience the revolution, it can experience the different seasons. Okay, and this effect of the seasons, effect of the day and night, it all not equal all around the earth. Some may time here in this part it may be more heat, here may be more cold, correct, no, because of the effect of the sunlight and the rotation. Because of the rotation of revolution, it is will experience the different things. Okay, and we have to study those all things in detail, no. For that we will use these lines. When the earth experiences the different seasons, different type of day and night, okay, at what place, at what the timing will be there, the calendar we will use. we do all the work what is possible. It is all based on time only. Correct, no? When the earth rotates, it will take 24 hours. When earth rotates, it will take. Rotation means when it will turn itself to take 24 hours. ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಅರ್ತ್ ಹಿಂಗಿದ್ದು ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮತ್ತು ಅದರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 24 hours. It needs 24 hours. It is called as a day. For one rotation, it will take 24 hours, and we will count it as a one day. Okay, then for revolution, for one revolution, it will take 365 days, 1/4. It means 1/4. It means you can say 6 hours. 6 hours, and it is called as 1 year. It is called as 1 year. Okay, and this all changes. Well, in 1 year we will experience many day and nights, seasons, many other effects because of the rotation and the revolution of the earth. No, for that it is very, we will to study about the places particularly, we use these lines. Okay, these lines we will use for the study. In the next video we will go detail about these lines, how they will work and how they will help. Remember, these lines are very imaginary lines, only for our study purpose. It is not exist on the real earth. Real earth ಮ್ಯಾಗೆ ನೀವು ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹುಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋದ್ರೂ ಸಿಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Only it is on the globe, only for our study purpose. Okay children, we will meet in our next video. Until that, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.